So I'm here today doing laser hair removal treatment on Danielle Oliveira, and we're treating her with the light shear duet, being a diode laser. Danielle is a skin type 5, so realistically her only options is to remove her hair with a diode laser or to look at being treated with an ND YAG. So why we can treat her with a diode laser is because it's an 810 nanometer, so it's safer for the melanin content in her skin. We're bypassing the melanin that's in the epidermis, whereas an alexandrite laser is a 755 nanometer. So its beam isn't as direct as a diode laser, therefore more of the alexandrite energy is going to be absorbed superficially, so it can only treat like a skin type 1, 2 and 3, where with the diode laser we can go as far as the skin type 4, 5 and 6, including 1, 2 and 3. So the diode laser that we're using today to treat Danielle is with the light shear duet, and for the body areas we use the high-speed handpiece, which has vacuum assist technology built in, which makes the treatment a lot more comfortable for our clients. A much faster treatment, it's 75% faster than any other laser on the market because it can treat a larger area due to the vacuum. The reason for this is because when the vacuum pulls the hair follicle closer to the laser beam, the intensity of the heat doesn't need to be as aggressive as most other lasers would, or as the laser that we would use for the facial areas. So that means we can treat a larger area because the aggressiveness of the heat isn't as much on the skin, and the skin can tolerate it in a larger piece. And it's safe, plus it's also going to pull the nerve endings out of the way as the vacuum suctions the skin, so we're not travelling through nerves. It makes it a lot more comfortable, and it also suppresses the melanocytes and stretches out the melanocytes in the superficial epidermis layer of the skin. That means that we're not going to absorb much heat in that area, so the downtime and the irritation after treatment is much less. So diodes being the safest and most effective and the most convenient way for treating darker skins. Your other option is an ND YAG, but comparison in treatment times would be an hour to treat a leg with an ND YAG as opposed to 15 minutes to treat the full leg with the high-speed light shear duet.